Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Thursday 9th of August with me, Richard Brown, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at euro dollar, which picked up in the last couple of days, but that pickup has been questioned again. I just sort of spoke in the morning report about this candle that we saw yesterday, or certainly on the intraday moves, was a little bit concerning. The market sort of has unwound back to the 45 level on the RSI and then turned lower, which is a concern. As I said previously, 45 was supported. It was an area where the market sort of came into support, but now it's sort of turned back a bit of a resistance, really. So that's a concern. As is this MACD line is not really doing much, and the fact that the market sort of unwound back into overhead supply with all these old lows between sort of 1620 and 1650. That's a concern for me as well. On the hourly chart, let's zoom back out. You see 1650. It's been a bit of a pivot area, and old support becomes new resistance, and that's a sort of base of resistance. But yesterday, sort of the market rallied to 1620 and rolled over. There's 1620. That old support becomes new resistance, and bang, it's to the downside. So this recovery in euro has not really progressed, has it? And it's a little bit concerning that how it's moved. Now 1570, that is a pivot, isn't it? In the last week, 4 days or so. 1570, yesterday's low, and the market has bounced off that again this morning. So that is a level that the market is looking at very near term, and a break below that would then open the lows again, 1525, but more importantly the range low, which is 1505, comes back into play. But the way these momentum indicators are moving, it doesn't look great, and looks like rallies are increasingly being seen as a chance to sell. So yeah, if this market closes 25-30 pips lower today, at the moment, if it closes at this sort of level, you'd be concerned that this is a market again rolling over. So I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.